Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm not in my regular studio. I am in Canada, about 3 hours north of Toronto at the family lake house. It's been in the family since 1910 and we come up every year. And this year I brought a bunch of painting equipment with me again because I need to paint. So, and I wanted to put out a video for everybody. So I am working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas. And one of the friends that I have here in Canada that is visiting us up here at the cottage is just bought a new house, and so she's asked me to do a painting for her. I showed some of my previous work to her, and she really loves the Nautilus pours, which is exciting because I love Nautilus pours. So I'm going to do it in the colors that she has chosen. We're going with black. This is Artist Loft Soft Body Black. This is Liquitex Basics Aqua Green. And this is DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Silver. And I'll be using this dish strainer putting it into the center of the canvas. And I'll be layering these colors into this chambered split cup. I have 3 chambers and 3 colors, so it works out perfectly. And I'm going to do a ring pour in the center of this, and it will create a beautiful Nautilus shape. All of my paints are mixed with Floetrol. I haven't needed to add any water at all, but I did need to add a little bit of glue to this one because DecoArt paints are very thin, and the Floetrol that I got here in Canada is a lot thinner than I'm used to in consistency, so I needed to use some glue to thicken this up. The aqua green was perfect as it is, and the soft body black, I just added a little more paint to this one, which is why it's a little fuller than the others, to get it to the correct consistency. And I have the exact same paint that I'll be using as my base coat color. And I'll be spreading it out with this OXO spatula. So if you hear a little bit of ticking in the background, it is not a bomb that's about to go off. We're on solar power up here, and I'm working in the tool shed, which was built in 1910. So everything is on solar power, and so they've put a timer on the light in this room. So I have about a half an hour of light before it goes off. So if it goes dark right in the middle of this video, I apologize. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to layer my colors into the split cup. And I think I want to put the aqua green right in the middle. This 20 by 20 inch canvas only needs about 12 ounces of paint. With my base coat also on there, I won't need all of this paint, but I'm going to fill it up anyway, just in case. And I'm expecting that the base coat color will completely disappear because this pour that I'm about to do is going to completely cover all of the edges. You can see that I have pre-painted the sides of my canvas, mainly just so I don't have to worry about touching up the sides. But black is an opaque color, so I probably didn't need to do that, just an abundance of caution. But I don't like to waste time. Touching up the sides and edges. So this gives me a little extra security that this paint is not going to show the white canvas through the black paint. And I'm just using my little spatula here to spread this out. I'm probably gonna have to add a little bit more. The purpose of the base coat here is just to give the poured paints something to float around on, and so that I don't lose any of the composition that I want to keep. Something has to stick to the canvas, and I'd rather it be this base coat than the colors that I pour onto top of it. So this just allows my poured paintings to float and move across the canvas. Actually, I think I poured the right amount. This is good. I do have this on a spinner also. I brought this up with me from Costa Rica. This is a spinner that I got from Jessica Winterstrom. And it was really easy to travel with because it's small and it fit into my suitcase. And now when I come up here, I'll just leave it here, and that way I will always be able to have my spinner while I'm painting. Because I like to do a lot of the techniques that I like to do, I use my spinner to move the paint. I'm just trying to kind of even this base coat out all the way across. And then I'm going to spin it out a little bit also after I wipe my tool off. Okay, let's spin this just a little bit. See if there's any excess paint. I don't think there's going to be much, but maybe it'll get rid of some of those little tracks from my spatula. And I don't have a string, so I usually dip a string from corner to corner to find my center, but I don't have that today, so I'm just going to eyeball it. Oh, also, this little dish strainer that I get off of Amazon, they come in a pack of 4 for like $10, and it always has this little pull tab. So with this, when this goes in the sink, it makes it easy to pull it out, but it can disrupt the pattern of what I'm trying to pour here. So I always just move it around a little bit until it snaps out. Leaves a perfect little hole like that. And then we'll just eyeball this, give it a spin and see how close I got. Not bad, not bad. I think I need to come a little bit over this direction. A little better. No, right there. There we go, got it. All right, nailed it. Okay, so I'm going to pour a ring pour in the center, going clockwise, and then I'm going to spin my canvas very slowly, going towards the counterclockwise direction. So that is what's going to cause the spiral that I love for this Nautilus pour. So here we go.
Stroll downtown this evening when I heard music echo through the night. The same old songs that I heard the night before. So I started running so I wouldn't be too late. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. My heart was pumping to the beat that was blasting through the night. And on the street the crowd was jumping, singing songs and dancing through the night. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. To fade out, the first rays of sunlight your eyes. Oh, how I wish this night would never end, so we can keep on dancing. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. All I ever wanted was to get close to you. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere. I can't feel my feet while we're dancing in the street, in the neon light. Let the music go reveal through the night.
Okay, you know what? Honestly, I wasn't sold on this color palette. These are colors I would never have chosen for myself, but it came out really cool. That black negative space is amazing. And this lighting in here is turning on the camera. That silver looks a little pink, actually, which is weird, but it is definitely silver with that aqua green and the black. Oh, so cool. I love these scallops on the edges. I love the way those spun out. Beautiful. And look at these little fine lines. It almost looks like turquoise smoke coming off. Really, really cool. The center is a little messier than I normally get, but I normally use Floetrol and glue and varnish in mine, so it's a completely different mix. So I'm thinking it's a little messy because this is mostly just Floetrol. But, you know, it's not so bad. And I definitely got that spiral motion. I think that is really cool. I love this technique. It is really, really fun and just mesmerizing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like the video, share it with your friends, all that kind of YouTubey stuff, and go mix up some paints and be fearless.